Is your car acting up, burning more gas than usual, or throwing a check engine light? You could be dealing with a bad oxygen sensor. In this video, we'll break down 10 clear symptoms of a failing O2 sensor so you can catch the issue early and avoid bigger, costly problems. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and trick. So let's get started. 1. Check engine light seal on. This is the most obvious sign. If your check engine light comes on, one of the first culprits could be your oxygen sensor. A quick scan with an OBD2 scanner might show codes like P0130 to P0167 or even P0420, pointing to sensor issues. 2. Poor fuel economy. Notice you refilling up more often? A faulty O2 sensor can cause the engine to run rich, burning more fuel than necessary, which means more frequent trips to the pump. 3. Rough idle. If your engine is idling rough, jumping RPMs, or feels shaky at stoplights, a bad oxygen sensor may be feeding the ECU the wrong data, throwing off your air-fuel ratio. 4. Engine misfires or hesitation. Does your car stutter or hesitate when you hit the gas? That hesitation can come from incorrect fuel mixture caused by a malfunctioning O2 sensor. 5. Failed emissions test. A failing sensor means poor combustion, which leads to high emissions. If you fail a smog test, a bad O2 sensor could be the root cause. 6. Black smoke from the exhaust. Black smoke signals that the engine's running rich, too much fuel, not enough oxygen. This often means the sensor is failing to regulate the air-fuel mix properly. 7. Sulfur or rotten egg smell. A strong sulfur smell from the exhaust. That's likely unburned fuel damaging your catalytic converter due to a rich mixture. Again, thanks to a bad O2 sensor. 8. Sluggish engine performance. Feeling a drop in power or slower acceleration. A faulty O2 sensor can throw off timing and fuel delivery, making your car feel sluggish. 9. Increased engine noise. Is your engine louder than usual, maybe even backfiring? Inconsistent combustion from a bad sensor can cause unusual noises and vibrations. 10. Unusual exhaust emissions. Excess smoke or weird fumes, especially during acceleration, point to inefficient combustion. That's often due to inaccurate oxygen readings. If this video helped you diagnose your car problems, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.